Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a simple Chrome extension that add beautiful earth views every time you open a new tab. So let's get started. So firstly open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for earth view from Google Earth. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. After installation, the extension will automatically start working. You can open a new tab. Here you will see a beautiful high quality earth wallpaper from Google Earth. This extension includes thousands of satellite landscape images from different places around the world. Every time you open a new tab, it will give you new view. Also, here you can see which view is this, like United States, Algeria, China, Portugal, Queen's country, United States. If you want to download this for your wallpaper, you can save image as, and also save this to apply this wallpaper to your desktop. Enjoy new earth views. That's it. This is the one of the easiest way to add stunning live earth wallpaper using a Chrome extension. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.